HP 250 G10. Design. Examining the design, it's evident that simplicity was intentionally prioritized. The straightforward appearance makes the notebook easily distinguishable. The overall package is light and slim, making it convenient for users to carry it daily from one place to another without posing any challenges for the computer itself. CPU. To meet modern needs and distinguish itself from the previous generation, the product houses the Intel Core i5-1335U, a 13th generation Raptor Lake processor based on the latest efficient Intel 7 lithography process. This choice makes the device strong while efficiently reducing power consumption. Even though the CPU is clocked at a frequency of 1.3 GHz, the maximum power consumption it reaches is just 55 watts. This efficiency not only extends the lifetime of the processor but also contributes to the longevity of the system itself. Keyboard. We have a spill-resistant, full-size non-backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad, positioned above the touchpad with multi-touch gesture support. Memory and storage. Effectively managing parallel processing with the CPU is the 8GB DDR4 kit, operating at 3200 MHz. The provided capacity is more than sufficient to handle all the multitasking needs of the notebook. The laptop offers a dual-channel configuration setup, making future upgrades easier to meet evolving computing demands. Memory storage is facilitated by the PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive, featuring a spacious 512 GB of fast NVMe storage that ensures quick transitions between applications and software. In terms of upgradability, the limit can be increased by replacing the existing SSD with a larger one. Display. Designed for effortless single-handed operation, this product excels in weight management. The fitted screen is a spacious 15.6-inch diagonal panel with a full HD display resolution of 1920 x 1080. The screen optimizes screen real estate by minimizing bezel thickness. Thanks to a maximum brightness of 250 nits, the displayed content remains vivid and clear. Other specs. For an unforgettable content consumption experience, the device is equipped with a set of stereo speakers. Regarding audio, the integrated digital microphones are positioned alongside the 720p HD camera. Handling the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth channels is the incredible Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card, ensuring a dependable connection. Physical connections are facilitated through a set of USB Type-A and Type-C ports. Fuel is supplied by the long-life 3-cell lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 41 watt-hours. In case the battery is completely drained, the device utilizes the Smart 45W external AC adapter to quickly get back into business.